to English News Bulletin of Hallabol. This is Rashmi here with you. Before moving to the details, let us have a look at the day's headlines. Photojournalist Abhijit Raha breathed his last. Hallabol expresses deep condolences. Ex-Health Minister Sudip Roy Burman expressed his views on poor healthcare services in the state. Senior CPM leader Pavitra Kaur slammed the BJP government regarding the ill healthcare services in the state during the crucial times of pandemic. Resident of Bishalgarh attacked and looted by few miscreants. The news in details. Hallabol photojournalist Abhijit Raha passed away after heart attack. Hallabol editor and team extends deepest condolences from the media fraternity of Tripura, lost a fighter of democracy and an honest person. Abhijit Raha, a 34-year-old photojournalist in Tripura, died after a heart attack on Thursday. We are heartbroken here at Hallabol as a member of our family passed away. Editor of Hallabol, Mr. Prashanta Bhattacharjee and the whole team expressed deep condolences on his sudden demise. Photojournalist Abhijit Raha was a fearless fighter of democracy, down-to-earth and a lovable person in the media fraternity. The Tripura media fraternity, condoled on his demise, expressed shock on the sudden news. This information shook the media world of Tripura as Raha, as we all called him, died too young, who was an honest, hard-working personality. MLA Sudip Roy Burman, MLA Ashish Kumar Saha visited photojournalist Abhijit Raha's residence and paid floral tribute. While talking to the media persons, MLA Sudip Roy Burman extended deepest solace to his family members and loved ones for their loss.
হাসি খুশি ছেলে, নম্র ভদ্র, সকলকে ফাঁকি দিয়ে এরকমভাবে চলে যাবে এটা দুঃস্বপ্ন বলে আমরা ভাবতে পারি না। প্রথম যখন খবরটা পাই বিশ্বাসই হচ্ছিল না, কারণ কিছুদিন আগে সে আমার কাছে এসেছিল আমার ইন্টারভিউ নিতে। আমার এলাকারই শ্যামলী বাজারে বসবাস করেও এই ঘটনাটা এখনো মনে হচ্ছে মানে বিশ্বাসযোগ্য না এমন একটা ঘটনা ঘটল। খুব নিরীহ পরিবার, বলা চলে অর্থনৈতিক দিক দিয়ে খুবই পিছিয়ে পড়া পরিবার, সরকারি চাকরিজীবী কেউই নেই। ও সংবাদপত্রের সাথে জড়িত ছিল। বিধি আক্তার প্রতি আমার শ্রদ্ধা প্রণাম। যেখানেই থাকুক ও ভালো থাকুক, ঈশ্বরের কাছে আমারই প্রার্থনা। শোকসন্তপ্ত পরিবার পরিজন, বিশেষ করে যারা ওর সঙ্গে একসঙ্গে কাজ করত, আমার প্রিয় সাংবাদিক বন্ধুরা, সকলের প্রতি আমার সমবেদনা জ্ঞাপন করছি।
From his residence, dead body of Abhijit Raha was brought to Agartala Press Club, where all the members of Tripura Media Society paid floral tribute, bidding him goodbye for one last time. MP Pratima Bhumik also remained present to pay tribute to the brave and honest photojournalist of the state. Hallabol news staff and members will forever remember Abhijit Raha for his incredible work ethic as well as his sense of humor and smile. Bureau Report, Hallabol. 3-day-old baby died after nosebleed at Agartala's Prime GB Hospital. The heart-rending incident shook the people of the state. The family alleged COVID test killed. Devastated family broke down into tears. Here we would like to connect with former Health Minister Sudip Roy Burman over a telephonic conversation and try to know his reaction in this regard. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, welcome to Hallabol.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, as you are well aware of the incident of death of the 3-days-old baby at Agartala's GB hospital, sir, what would you like to comment on this regard?
It's a shocking incident, it's a disheartening incident, it's a painful incident that at the lap of a mother, that the child who has been playing right now, sucking breast milk right now, is no more in this world. The father has lost his son, the mother's lap is now empty. It's really one of the most painful incidents in recent days. So we are perturbed to know that the swab test is being done by those sticks which are being used for the elder person, adult person. There is no such special swab testing kit for infants and for the elderly person. So it ought to have been there, and I am told that the department has not yet procured such a device or such a thing for the infants and elderly person. Normally the stick being set to the nose for this swab collection is supposed to be for the infant and the elderly person, is supposed to be a small one. But the insertion that took place in that baby, it was meant for the adult and resulting in death of this baby, as I am told. So it's really painful incident, and I don't know how to describe my anguish, my anger, my pain through my words.
2 days back, an incident of death of one COVID patient at GB hospital triggered huge resentment, allegedly due to lack of oxygen. City's prime hospital GB lacks proper oxygen supply. What do you have to say in this regard?
Yeah, many such documents or many such versions from various patients is well known to me. It's a fact, and also one of our MLAs wrote a letter. Obviously, that MLA Mr. Ashish Shah must be knowing the factuals, and he has written a letter to the Chief Minister. Obviously, it's a matter of great concern that there is a lack of oxygen supply in the COVID ICUs in NPH2 building. Most disheartening, and it's shocking.
Do you think the healthcare services in the government hospitals of the state has broken down?
Yeah, now is not the time for blame game, but obviously the lacunas that have been brought to the knowledge of the government should now act seriously, and there should be a well concerted effort so that the planning, coordination, and the service providers to up in line to provide service to the patients who are being treated over there.
What strategies and plannings should be made to restore the medical services in the state, sir?
Yeah, obviously, one should feel at home. The patient should feel at home in the COVID ICUs. They should be provided with sufficient medicine. Oxygen supply should be uninterrupted. They should be given good diet according to their choice. All these things, the frequent doctor's visits should be there. It should be clean. All these things should be ensured so that the patients feel at home in the COVID center since they are isolated from the rest of the family and the rest of the world.
Okay, sir. Sir, do you think that due to lack of a health minister in the state of Tripura, all these mishap situations has arisen?
The Honorable Chief Minister is looking after the health department, and there is a minister. It's not that there isn't any separate minister, but obviously the Chief Minister is looking into this. So he is the health minister right now. So he is the Chief Minister, but the Chief Minister is the health minister right now. Probably he might be looking, and he must have taken note of the various complaints that are pouring in each and every day. And it's time for the government to act accordingly.
Sir, do you think that the complaints that have been registered in this process regarding the medical that mishaps are going on, do you think Chief Minister is working in this regard?
I hope so. I'm not sure right now sitting over there in my residence whether the Chief Minister is acting. He has to act. He should act. The people are crying, dying over there. In a helpless position. Obviously, it's a heartbreaking thing. Anybody who receives such complaints should act immediately. And I believe and I hope that the minister act accordingly.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you very much. Thank you for your valuable time. Once again, thank you on behalf of Halabol.
Thank you very much.
Senior CPIM leader Pavitra Kaur expressed huge concerns on the ill healthcare services in the state. Also set an alarm for the people of the state regarding the improper healthcare services in the BJP era. Senior CPIM leader Pavitra Kaur slammed the BJP government regarding the ill healthcare services in the state during the crucial times of pandemic. Expressed huge agony on the death of one 3-day-old baby at City's Prime GB Hospital. Describing the incident, senior leader Pavitra Kaur said,
যে অভিযোগ তার মার নাকি কোভিড পজিটিভ পেয়েছে, কোভিড পজিটিভ পেয়েছে স্বাভাবিক কারণেই তার টেস্ট হওয়া দরকার বাচ্চাটির, কিন্তু টেস্টের নামে তারা যা করেছে তার মার যে বক্তব্য যে যে পাইপটি ঢোকানো হয়েছে তার সব টেস্টের জন্য, এরপরের থেকে তার রক্তক্ষরণ হচ্ছিল এবং নাকটা বন্ধ হয়ে গিয়েছিল, ডাক্তার আর কোনো ওষুধ দেয়নি এবং এই রক্তক্ষরণের ফলেই এই বেবিটি সদ্যজাত বেবিটি তার প্রাণ অজরে চলে গেল। তার মা বাবা সকলের বক্তব্য এটা ডাক্তাররা তারা তাদের ভুলের জন্যই এই সন্তানটি পৃথিবীর মুখ দেখেও তাদের কুল থেকে ছিনিয়ে নিয়ে গেল।
One after one incidents of death of patients allegedly due to the wrong treatment and improper medical services has marked a state of terror in the minds of the common people. Bureau Report, Halabol. One after one incident of crimes reported from various areas of the state has triggered huge terror in the minds of the people in the Hira era. One more incident of attack and robbery took place at Bishalgarh's Gokul Nagar area in the state. In a striking incident, one Shudip Shaha of Bishalgarh Gokul Nagar area was attacked and robbed by a group of miscreants on his way to Shekerkot market. Shaha was then rushed to Bishalgarh hospital for treatment. An FIR had been lodged at the local police station by the family members of Shudip against the miscreants. Reportedly, Shaha was riding his scooty that was registered with the number TR07B7731 that was heading towards Shekerkot market when he was asked for a lift by one Titan Bhumik at Uttam Bhakt Chomani. Shudip then slowed down and stopped when Titan launched a scathing attack on Shudip. By the time he could manage himself, 3 more people whom Shudip failed to identify attacked him from behind. When violently beaten up, amount of 15,300 rupees were dropped. His scooty was also reduced into pieces by the miscreants. After the incident, Shudip had been rushed to the local hospital for treatment. Side by side, an FIR was also lodged at the Bishalgarh police station. It is worthy to be mentioned here that in the rule of BJP government in the state, incidents of crime have increased at an alarming rate. Few days back too, at the same place, miscreants hurled brick bats and stone pieces on a speeding up vehicle. All these incidents have triggered a state of terror in the minds of the common people who are criticizing on the role of administration in the Hira era. Bureau Report, Halabol. Well, that's all from the English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Halabol.